In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can update your Clubhouse app on your Android phone. This is very simple and straightforward to do. So the first thing you want to do is locate the Play Store on your phone. So I'll go ahead and tap on my Play Store that's on my home screen. And then in the search bar right at the top, you just want to search for Clubhouse. Hit search, and there you'll see the Clubhouse app, and then it should say update there in green if you have an update available. So all you need to do is go ahead and tap on update. That'll say pending for a moment, and then the download should begin. And now you can see the download has begun, and it's a very simple and quick download. And there you can see the Clubhouse app has now been updated. You can tap on that and it says open there. So if you don't want to go ahead and manually update it every single time you have a new update, what you can do is go back and go to the home page of the Play Store. Then you can tap on your profile icon right at the top over there. And then you just want to scroll down and tap on settings right over here. And then you want to tap on the second option there that says network preferences. So I'll tap on that. And there you can see you have different options: app download preference or over Wi-Fi. But then you see auto update apps. If you tap on that, you can automatically update all of your apps that you have when you're either on any network or over Wi-Fi only. I recommend setting it to over Wi-Fi only, so you don't use all of your data. And then tap on done when you've selected that. And then now, whenever you have a new update available for your apps, it will automatically update once you're on your Wi-Fi network. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below so you don't miss any more tips just like this. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.